This is what it's giving. Curly Me ate the girls with the natural look. I'm excited to be installing some Kinky Straight bundles from Curly Me Hair. I've never installed Kinky Straight bundles before, so I'm a little excited to see what it looks like. I do have, this is like my leave out, and that's the only thing that I'm leaving out. I'm kind of like under construction with my natural hair, so I was like, I'm not going to do like a super bust down middle part kind of vibe. Go ahead and get into the install. I do have my black wig caps. You already know the vibes. We're just gonna make sure that she's laid and she's flat. And of course, you know, this is the foundation. I'll show you guys the bundles before we get into it. I have 3 bundles of their Kinky Straight. This is all 24 inches soft, okay? And they don't smell like corn chips, so that's a plus. Hitting my hips. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. This is their website information, but I will link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing bundles from them. Fit really, really nice. And my hair hasn't been dyed jet black in a couple of months, so this should fit perfectly with my hair color. But very soft. The ends are not like straggly, raggedy. They look pretty healthy to me. And as you can see, I can just roll my fingers straight through her, and we're gonna shake her up. She got that shake, she got that bounce, she got that body, she got that. Wefts look very, very clean, if I do say so myself. And please don't mind my nails. I have been having these raggedy press-ons on before my trip, y'all, so I have to get these taken off. And once again, it doesn't have a smell at all. So let me know if you've ever tried Kinky bundles out, because your girl is about to try it out for you if you haven't, and let y'all know the tea about it. I'm gonna use my shears to cut the wefts, you guys, and just try to cut it as clean as possible. Starting off with this piece right here. This is Kinky Straight hair, so whatever floats your boat. If you want to start straightening it while you go through each weft, be my guest, so you don't have to do it. I feel like this is going to be very easy to press out. You know why? Because it doesn't have that much wave to it. So this is the first track. And I always tell you guys to bring your ears down from underneath the wig cap. You know, I fucking got to do that. So you just want to tuck your ears down at the top, just so you can go over your curve. so I just went ahead and removed the extra wig cap. I'm about to straighten this hair, shape her up, get her life together, okay? Have made it to the end of the straightening process. As you can see, it looks like a silk press blowout. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm not gonna throw any curls in it, but it looks soft, and I love me some soft kinky straight hair, y'all. It just gives inches. Growing, healthy, minding business. But I'm gonna do it for video purposes, so bear with me. Yeah, so I curled the first piece. I don't know if the camera got it or not. My camera just cut off for whatever reason. But I really don't want it to be super tight curls, so I'm just taking big sections.
Show up for me.
look. This is what it's giving. Curly Me 8 liberals with the natural looks with their kinky straight. I think that it's gorgeous. I was gonna do the butterfly cut on this, but I was just like, I would really have to chop up this hair, and I really don't want to. It's only 3 bundles, you know. I pretty much, no girl, I use all of the hair. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I had to make sure I had enough to finish the top. I was getting a little nervous. Very natural. Let me know if you've ever tried out kinky straight bundles before. Is this your jam? And let me know if you did the blowout method before straightening it and curling it, because it's such a night and day experience. I feel like if people don't know much about kinky straight hair or yucky hair in general, they will be alarmed after like realizing a couple of passes is not going to get it bone straight off rip. You will have to blow it out first, and you will have to put some good old heat protecting spray into your hair, because you do not want it fried, dyed, and smelling like corn chips all the time you end it. So a good heat protectant serum, spray, whatever, is very important for hair like this, because it can really smell horrible by the time you are finished styling it, because it's just a whole lot of heat on it. Thanks for watching. I will link all their information down in the description box below if you guys enjoyed what you see on my head, and I hope you took some notes and took something from this video. If you did enjoy just vibing out and watching it, I appreciate that as well. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Shout out to Curly Me Hair. I'll try to get you guys a discount code down below. Make sure you check that description box out, and I will see y'all in my next one. Huh?
Come here.